Hurricane Hanna heads to Texas as two other storms threaten Hawaii and the Caribbean. Hurricane Hanna strengthened to a Category 1 storm this morning, making it the first hurricane of the season in the Atlantic. The barreling twister is packing sustained winds of 80 miles per hour according to the latest National Hurricane Center report, and it is heading straight for land. Hanna is currently just 75 miles from Port Mansfield and the hurricane is getting stronger as it crawls closer to the coast. Hanna, the first hurricane of the season in the Atlantic, had sustained winds of 75 miles per hour around 7 a.m. CT, 8 a.m. ET, and its center was about 100 miles east-southeast of Corpus Christi. It is forecast to make landfall along the Texas coast, likely somewhere between Corpus Christi and Brownsville, in the afternoon or early evening, the National Hurricane Center said.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.